Hello, everybody. Welcome to Open House 2025. I'm Mr. Rodriguez, and just setting this up really quick. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the classroom. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you this is my presentation computer. I teach from here, and I project right there. Right there. So the students can see what I'm doing. Then as you can see, this is my classroom. I have 5 rows of computers, 8 computers per row, except for the last row back there in the back. The 5th row has 3 computers. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. Really quick. These are the computers. This is one of the rows right here. Here, the computers have these wireless mice. They're really nice. They also have wireless keyboards and headphones. I'm pointing this out because these computers are about 3 years old, and we need to do a better job of taking care of them. So if you can tell your child, remind your child, remind your students, remind your children to take better care of the equipment. It helps. It helps me. Help me help you. Like this one right here. Check this one out. This one's all broken. And there's been worse ones, and I try to replace them as fast as I can, but it's a little bit hard. So, friendly reminder, everybody, take care of our equipment. Yay! So I try to keep it as clean as possible because we got to use these all the time. All right, so really quick, sign-in sheets. Those are the sign-in sheets right there. Please sign in right there. And then over here, we have our university reports. This is open house. So please ask your child to show you their university report. Ask them to show you the report. Ask them about the process. Ask them to show you what they did and the process for writing these reports. Please ask. And then over here, we have our Newzilla assignments. Ask them to show you the Newzilla assignments. Ask them to show you the different pages, the process, the final paragraph that they write, how long it takes. Over here too, on the university reports, there's several pages. These reports are 5 to 6 paragraphs long. So ask your child to show you around, to show you the Newzilla, show you the university reports. Oh, look, everybody. It's an actual Apple microwave. Yay. Oh, look. It's a yearbook advertisement. If you haven't bought your yearbook, please buy your yearbook. Scan that QR code to order your yearbook. And this is the back of the classroom. This is what it looks like from back here. Those are all the computers. And so, let me sit. And now I'm going to bring this down here. I'm going to shrink this. Let's do this slideshow right here. So this is Open House 2025. I teach this year 7th and 8th grade computers, 7th grade English language arts, and 7th grade social studies. This class is designed to review and develop essential skills. The skills you learn here will equip you with the tools to help you learn, grow academically, and achieve your life goals. In this class, we use Schoology. All assignments are presented on Schoology. So your child will go to Schoology and get their assignments. So because this is open house, have your child show you their Schoology account. Have them show you the different classes that they have in Schoology. Ask them to show you. We use PowerSchool for grading. Ask your child to show you their current grade. I'm still grading, but I would say 90% done with grades. I'm still grading a couple of assignments. But ask your child to show you their grades here in PowerSchool and in Schoology. If your child tries to say or use the excuse of, I don't know how to find my grades, if they are 7th grade, they only have a year and a half before they're off they're off to high school. They need to know how to do this. They need to know how to look for their grades and be independent. So they have to figure this out. If they're an 8th grader, then they're half a year away from being a high schooler. It's something that they should know how to do. So encourage them, tell them, figure it out. Because if it was a video game, they would figure it out on their own. They wouldn't ask. They would just try and try until they get it. Because they don't give up on video games. So have them show you their grades. Google Chrome. We use Google Chrome for assignments, for Google Docs, for Google Slides. Have your students show you what they've been doing in Google Chrome. We use computers. We try to use electronic textbooks. We try to do everything electronically because I'm trying to reduce the use of paper. I'm trying to be good for the environment. I'm trying to do everything electronically. So have your students show you their e-textbooks. Have them go online, show you their textbooks that we've been using online. For social studies, it's Savas. For ELA, it's McGraw-Hill. ClassLink is what we use to get to a lot of the programs that we use. Have your child show you ClassLink, how they get there and what programs they use and their way. Have them show you that they know how to get around ClassLink. They know how to use ClassLink. We also use Clever for typing and for other programs. Have them show you Clever. iReady, math and reading. We use iReady for diagnostics for math and reading to improve their math and reading skills. Next week we will be doing our iReady diagnostics. So it's important that your student, your child, gives their best effort and tries as hard as they can in their iReady diagnostic. Have your child show you their diagnostics from the last diagnostics or their iReady scores from the last time we did iReady. We use Kami for marking up and utilizing PDF files. We do a lot of Newsela, as you saw on that Newsela wall over there, that one over there, all those Newsela assignments. We try to do 2 Newsela articles every quarter, trying to push 3, because the more reading, the better. Trying to get them to read as much as possible. So have your child show you their Newsela, or how to get to Newsela. and show you around Newzilla. Typing.com, we do a lot of typing, especially in computers, because the better they type, the better they write, the more confident they are, and their productivity improves when their typing improves. For computers, we also do coding. We try to do a lot of coding. Have your child show you their coding. The code.org and RoboBlocky, we try to do robot and coding activities. So have your child show you their RoboBlocky activities. YouTube, I create a lot of instructional videos, how-to videos on YouTube, and I post them with the assignments so that if a student gets lost or doesn't understand what to do, they can always refer to the video. So if they don't finish here in class, they can finish their work at home. And if they forget how to do something, they can always look at the video. The video will show them what to do. And they can get extra support from the video. And I post it on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. I have over, I think, 80, 90 YouTube videos just on how to do different things, how to do different assignments. So I'm constantly shooting and posting YouTube videos. Like this is going to be on YouTube. Have them show you an assignment that has a YouTube video, a YouTube how-to video. The university report, I included a lot of how-to videos. Have them show you one of those. Edpuzzle, we do a lot of Edpuzzles in here. Have them show you Edpuzzle. Thinking maps, we do thinking maps to organize ideas. Have your child show you how to get around thinking maps. Paper, this is to improve their writing. And that's it. Thank you for paying attention. Please walk around. Please look at the classroom. Please turn on a computer. Have your child show you what they're doing, how they've been working, show you around, show you the work, show you their grades, show you their Schoology accounts, show you their Power School accounts. Enjoy. Thank you for being here. Bye.